Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel after quite a gap. Today I'm making aloo tomato ki sabji, which is a very good combination with puri, plain chapati, paratha. However, the best combination is puri and aloo tomato ki sabji. Here I have taken 5 boiled potatoes, 1 medium-sized roughly chopped onion. This is 3 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped, 3-4 green chilies. This is also roughly chopped, and this is ginger garlic crushed. Here we have the spices: cumin seeds, roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder for color, pepper powder, spicy chili powder, and bay leaves. So masalas we will adjust as per our choice, especially chili powder. Now here in the pot I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, I am adding cumin seeds. After cumin seeds is splattered, I am adding bay leaves. I have washed the bay leaves. Just give it a stir. Now I am adding chopped onion. Let us mix it properly. Now I am adding salt. After adding salt, we will mix it nicely and cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the onion turns brown. Now I am adding ginger garlic crushed. Again we will stir it and cook it till the raw smell goes. We will put the cover and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now, after the raw smell is gone, I am adding all the masalas. Now we will cook it, we will fry it, but make sure we will not burn the masala. We will just fry for 20-30 seconds, and then we will add tomatoes. Now we will give it a good mix and then cover it, cook for 2 minutes. In between we'll keep checking. It's been 2 to 3 minutes and I've been checking in between. Now I'm adding green chilies. So if we need water, we can add warm water so the masalas will not get stuck in the pan. If tomatoes are releasing its own water, then it is well and good. Here I have not been added water because tomato is releasing its own water and the flame is low. Now the masalas are cooked nicely and I'm adding potatoes. Now this is the main thing, we add potatoes by crushing with our hands. We will not use fork or knife. We will crush it with our hands. Now after adding potatoes, we will mix it very nicely. And I'm adding hot water. This is the time we adjust the consistency and we also taste the salt. So the salt is little less, I'm adding little bit more and mixing it nicely. Now I'm adding a little bit homemade garam masala. I'm adding a little bit more hot water and I will boil it for another 1 minute. After a minute, it has come to a nice boil. And here is time when we add coriander leaves. Please make sure we all add coriander leaves. However, I did not have, so I'm not adding. Only little was there. I used it for plating. So please do make sure we add coriander leaves, and it is ready to serve. It smells amazing and goes very good with puri. I hope you liked the video. Please do make sure you like, share, subscribe and stay connected.